Welcome to another edition of Nature's Own Home Workouts. Here we have a young champion, an All-American, Mr. Jjackson, and he's going to show you a few simple yet very beneficial balance exercises. Okay, the champ is posturing, talking his stuff, getting his mind right. He just got finished doing a few warm-up stretches, y'all. Before you do any type of exercise, any type of strenuous activity, please stretch. Like my old strength and conditioning coach used to say, stretching is a must, not stretching is a bust. And if you rest too much, you'll rust. As you can see, the young champion is performing a balance exercise, a leg stand to be exact, which he will then turn into a standing Superman. Now, there are two types of balance training exercises. There's static, which is stationary, similar to yoga, holding a pose and staying still. And then there's dynamic, which is what Mr. Jjackson is doing here. Dynamic means you're moving while you're balancing. You see just alternated legs. Doing Superman again, he's breathing. All right. Now he will perform the same exercise. Oh wow, hip rotation. That's great for elasticity in the hip and strengthening the hip. But now he's doing it with one arm. Balance training, ladies and gentlemen, is great for your posture, coordination, your spine, and it's great for overall strengthening whatever body part that you're balancing. Also great for your core. It looks simple, but it's very difficult. We used to do a lot of this in combat training and for rehabilitation training whenever we became injured or a little sore. But yes, that completes it, ladies and gentlemen. Check out Mr. Jjackson, the champ, the All-American. Cashapp him, IG him, FB him, TikTok him. Check it all out. It's all there. Thank you for tuning in for this edition of Nature's Own Home Workouts.